Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USEG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice day. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good day. Everybody would agree, good day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at the $1.60 mark. Why is the $1.60 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.60. Any sort of closes below $1.60, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well then, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction over time. Preferably speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.93 here, that would be the best case scenario. But I'm not saying that if $1.93 fails, that the entire chart's ruined or anything else. In my mind, $1.60 for the reasons discussed is that must-hold level. Now, what about areas of resistance? There's two key ones that stand out to me. The first level of resistance is what I like to call the fun level, meaning it's always fun, myself included, to talk about, testing highs, going to new highs, and that's where, up here at 273 comes into play, because that is the previous high, and that's the fun one to talk about. But in many situations, as is the case here, usually there's other bridges that need to be crossed, other, hurdles that need to be crossed. And in this situation, that's going to be right here around $2.43, give or take. So yeah, up there is a level of resistance for sure. But before you start talking about and having fun talking about that one, you first got to get up above the $2.43 mark right there. So all in all, though, very solid day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.